The criticality of picking the right installer for your solar system has never been more clear than now. We've had a number of large organizations that have decided to shut shop. We have a number of customers who have systems with them. One of the challenges with working with companies that, let's say, only subcontract work out is who do you actually go back to for warranties? When the retailer is gone, we have a problem. In our case, we're both the retailer and the installer. We own all of our work. To get the best quality install, you need people to be part and parcel of the organization. You can never expect the best when you have someone who's just subcontracting out to you, because at the end of the day, they have their own business to run. When a person has a say in the business and is part of the business, I think they always have a commitment to quality, and that is something that they want to showcase to every single customer, that they do the right thing. And I know for a fact that in every one of our installations, each one of our team that actually goes out to an installation, we take pride in the work that we do, and we do everything that we can to make sure we leave the place better than what we got it as, and try and make sure we leave the customer as happy as possible. And I believe the formula for that is to make sure that we go a high quality product and high quality workmanship. What we have been trying to achieve for a really long time is to be able to provide customers with access to quality products at realistic prices. We have a lot of people that offer products that are not so great at unrealistic prices. We're trying to break that. What we are is a quality focused installer that does a reasonable number of installs, and our aim primarily is to make sure that we do a fantastic job, and we're in it for the long run. We want to be here and we want to be successful at what we do.